Well, it's Sunday afternoon, July 26, 2026. We're at the Pleasant Lake Depot. And they're supposedly doing some throttle time with the steam engine today. The next trip is going to be at 2:45 this afternoon, so we've got 15 or 20 minutes before it starts. They've made a lot of improvements here. They've cleaned all this off and laid all these bricks here. They're really improving this old depot. There's the diesel locomotive, number 358. They use that in the fall and winter after they've put the steam engine away. That's looking north along the tracks. They built a little shack there for some reason. There's not too many, I guess there's just 3 vehicles here now, plus the old Model T Ford. We'll walk up here a little closer and check these cars out. I guess we've got a 48 Pontiac. They sure use a lot of nice trim and everything on these old cars. Pontiac Silver Streak, 4-door sedan. And here we've got the Railroad Express Agency. I'm not sure what this old truck is. '46 Mack. Delivery truck used in Sandusky, Ohio. There's the old Bulldog. And I'm not sure if I got the depot open today or not. It doesn't look like it. But they've added a real nice picnic area here. Really done some nice upgrades. Nickel plate road. Yeah, I see the steam engine coming way down yonder. Pleasant Lake, Indiana, northeast corner of Indiana, Steuben County. We're going to walk down that way because I'm not sure if the engine is going to come up this far. They've got a lot of regulations when they've got engineers that are not licensed. They just buy a ticket to operate this engine. It's kind of expensive. They've got a website with all their prices, so you want to check that out. So we'll take another video when we get a little closer to the engine. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions or comments, add them below.